Hi everyone, my name is Carson and you here on this channel. Thank you for clicking on it. I appreciate you checking this video out, as always, especially if you're new, but if you're returning as well, thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate every single one of y'all checking my videos out. And today what we are doing is a green and goldish look. I got inspired by Sleep Token's new album so far lately. If you are interested in that, go check that out. Or if you know anything about Sleep Token, you'll understand why. And so I thought, why not? Let's do a green and gold look. Also, yesterday I did gold nails. That wasn't intended just for this. I kind of just wanted to do them. And I love how they turn out, but it also kind of matches the makeup. So I thought it was a cool little ad that I did not intentionally. But if you guys enjoy this look so far and you want to see how I did it, go watch the whole video and we will get into the look. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is VoiceOver Carson here. So today we are doing a look that I was inspired by Sleep Token's new album, Even in Arcadia. If you haven't listened to it, you probably should. You probably have listened to it, honestly. For majority of a lot of people, a lot of people love Sleep Token nowadays, which is funny because I remember going to go see them on the Issues tour, like right before COVID. It was like December 2019 is when I got to see them, and it was when nobody knew exactly who they were, and the second they stepped out on stage, everybody's like, what in the hell? And then the second Vessel started singing, everybody's like, oh my god, his voice sounds beautiful, who is this man, who is this band? And then everybody has loved them since then, and me and my best friend, we have been listening to them ever since. So that is why I got inspired by their new album, because their color scheming. I've done a couple other looks. I might do even more, just for color schemes that inspired me through the album, because if you go look at the main cover, it's a lot of like pinks, purples, reds, browns. It's really, really pretty. And their little campaign that they did before the release of the album was banners of certain like groups, I guess. I still don't know the lore behind it, but I know that there were a couple banners that they had with different symbols on it, and one was like white and gold, and then the other was green and gold. And so that's kind of why I got the green and gold inspiration from that to do. And I was listening to the album especially, and so I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do a green and gold look. I'm gonna go with that side, and maybe I'll do like a white and gold or something like that. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I still haven't figured it out. If you are a fan of Sleep Token, let me know. Let me know what your favorite song is on the album. Mine, I love all of the songs, but I think like my favorites have been like Dangerous and Provider, honestly. I really do like the whole entire album. It's very good. I've been listening to it on repeat. But yeah, so if you are interested in anything that I've used, I always have a link down below in my description on any of my videos, and especially the exact shades I used from both palettes, or any of the palettes I use, or anything that I use in general. I always have the shades, so if you're ever curious exactly what I'm using, it's always in the description down below. So let me know any other kind of inspiration you might think that I should use, or especially for the album. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's probably a little bit short. Let me know, I probably mentioned it in the video, let me know if you guys want me to go back to posting my videos with my foundation technique and my base techniques. Because like I have mentioned in a couple videos, and maybe if you haven't seen it, I thought maybe I should skip my foundation prepping and all that because it's been always the same and I didn't feel like I needed to show that. And I know a lot of other MUAs or makeup artists in general on YouTube and social media in general don't really talk about it, but unless you guys want me to talk about it, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if you like this look. Let me know if you guys would recreate this or not, or do what your version of it is. Do a cool version of it, or just whatever. Let me know down in the comments if you got inspired by it, and if you got inspired by it and you posted anywhere, tag me. I'd love to see it. I thought I would think it would be really cool to see all you guys' work, especially if I inspired you to do something today with it. Let me know any video suggestions you guys have, or looks you guys want me to complete, products you want me to try, or types of videos in general. As some of you might not know, I'm a full specialist esthetician, so I can do waxings, facials, nails, obviously, makeup, handful of other things. If you go on my channel and you see any videos that don't have to do with makeup, that's why. It's because I'm a full specialist esthetician. So I've been doing a handful of other ones, and let me know if you guys like that. Let me know if you guys have a specific thing you want me to cover in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys want to follow me on any of my other socials, I am Aesthetics by Carson on Instagram and TikTok, as long as TikTok is still up, but I still will be Aesthetics by Carson on Instagram. I know probably some of my other videos, I pre-edited them before I changed my name, so some of them might say my old spelling of Aesthetics by Carson. But if anything, go down the description and I'll have it written in the link. So if I accidentally say it wrong in like my older videos, that's why. It's because I pre-edited them and had them ready before I had a couple other ones ready that went before them. So that's probably why, if you were watching and you're confused. Yeah, so go follow me. Go watch more of my videos. So hit subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. You hear that is Lilith, as usual. It's always when I want to film, she's always yelling and she's always saying hi to you guys. But yeah, so let me know all those things and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!